Hope you all guys fine. And guys, today I am going to present a new story. And first, you need to watch my video first to last to have the message, the nice message. So please watch my video first to last. And this story name is, this story not have any name, I can't find, but I take a name. Between two brothers there are quarreling, and they always fight, guys. So this is a topic. So let's guys, I am starting. There are two brothers, they are living in London with their family. They are Bengal, but they are living in London because their father is a very big businessman and their mother is a housewife. But after going to London, their mother found a job of selling. It's also a business selling animals. Yes, selling animals like goat, cow, owl. Owl means the night birds. And in London there is a thing, not every, but many of people make owl like a pet because owl is very useful. I hope you don't know this thing. Owl is very great. If owl see any other people's, so some owls start to making noises. So this is very useful if owl see any thief, because owl can see at night. You know, night vision. Owl has night vision eyes. Now everything is okay, and their mother also sells some type of tortoise. I don't know what kind of this tortoise, but yes, guys. Now I don't know so any, but the tortoise are very cute, guys, very cute, and the backside shield of the tortoise is very colorful, and the most common color is green, black and white. It's very beautiful tortoise, but it's also sometimes when it's angry it will be dangerous for humans. Now now I am coming to the main topic. The two boys are very bad. Every time they waste things, and they every time fight or quarrel. They every time fight, and sometimes they do very dangerous. One day his brother got hurt by another brother, and the brother's name is Simon and Mahim. And Simon's real name is Muhib, but Simon, when they go to London, he changed name. so into Simon, and then Simon, and one day Simon got hurt by his brother Mahim, and his brother Mahim hurt him by a knife. Oh my god, guys, by knife means no. I know everybody knows what knife means. This two fingers fat thing, metal thing, and some tall, sometimes this, some tall and very sharp. And Simon hurt by this knife in, like it's Mahim's hand, and it's Simon's hand, this, and here is a knife, and Simon attacked on his brother's, on Mahim's hand. So Mahim attacks on Simon's hand. It's look, it's Simon's hand. Think. It's Simon's hand and it's Mahim's hand, and Mahim smashed. So the sharp knife goes this type, and cut. Not dead, but many bloods are from this place, from the accident place. Very bleeding, guys. I can't see literally. It's very bleeding, and he blocking my ears because then Simon make this sound. Oh, very loudly make this sound, and I know I am using earphones this time, so what will happen? He makes this sound and my ears blow. Boom. Then I think, okay, let's make a video on this. It's literally blows my ear, and if this ear is paining also now. Okay, then their mother come and punish Mahim for doing this work. Then after some times, after some days, Mahim's accident place is fully recovered. And do you know what type of punishment Mahim got? Yes, Mahim can't go out for fully 1 month and 30 days gone of this punishment, and again they are starting to fight, and this time Simon fully take the revenge, guys. How can I say? Oh my god, very dangerous revenge, guys. Then Simon take a rod and coming to Mahim, coming and then smash. Then do you know what's happened? No, I'm not going to say what's happened then. So wait for my next part of this story to know that what's happened with Mahim. So bye for now, and I'm not giving the message because it's already 10 minutes gone. it's already 10 minutes gone, so I am cutting this video here and I am meeting you at part 2, and it's a very big story. So bye bye for now and see you later.